In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate deal stages in Pipedrive. This is really useful if you're tired of manually moving deals from one stage to the next every time an action is completed. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have an automation that moves your deals forward automatically based on a trigger you choose, like when an activity is marked as done. Let's start inside your Pipedrive account. Look over to the bottom left side of your screen, on the sidebar. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the additional menu options. From that menu, select Automations. This is where you can create and manage all of your automated workflows. Once you're in the Automations area, look for the button that says Automation with a plus sign, usually labeled Plus Automation or New Automation. Click that button to start creating a brand new automation. This opens up a blank workflow where you can define what should trigger the automation and what actions Pipedrive should take for you. The first thing you need to set is the trigger. The trigger is the event that tells Pipedrive, okay, it's time to run this automation. In this example, we'll choose something like activity marked as done. That means whenever you complete an activity on a deal, this automation will kick in. Select your trigger from the list, adjust any basic options if needed, and then click Apply to confirm your choice. Now that your trigger is set, you need to tell Pipedrive what to do when that trigger occurs. In the workflow editor, click the plus icon to add a new step. From the options that appear, choose Action. Then select Deal, because we're going to change something on the deal itself. From the deal actions, pick Update Deal Fields and click Next to move on. You'll now see a list of fields you can update automatically. Find the field called Pipeline Stage. This is the field that controls where your deal sits in your pipeline. Select that field and then choose the next stage you want the deal to move to when the trigger happens. For example, if you want deals to move from contact made to proposal sent after an activity is completed, you'd choose that next stage here. Once you've chosen the correct stage, click Save to store your automation settings. Finally, make sure you toggle the automation from inactive to active. This switch is usually near the top of the automation editor. Turning it on means Pipedrive will start running this automation on real deals. And that's it. You've now set up an automation that updates your deal's pipeline stage automatically whenever your chosen trigger occurs.